Skateboards and colored pencils.
With colored pencils, you can draw a skateboard, and so it is better in every way. Like, you can draw anything you want. You can draw a skateboard that's, like, modified to be better than a normal skateboard, like maybe a rocket skateboard or something. Like, that would be really cool, right? And then you could, like, draw yourself on the rocket skateboard being cool.
Objection.
Grounds.
You will not look cool riding a pencil down the street.
Sustained.
If you're riding a skateboard, people are like, whoa, 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 whoa. That guy's totally nar, my guy. And they say, whoa, he can really shred. And it makes you just the coolest guy on the block.
Grounds.
If you're skateboarding on a pencil, then you're shredding the pencil, and so that makes you cooler.
Objection.
Grounds.
The best thing to shred is paper, because you have shredders that are specifically made to shred paper, and the paper is thus shred at such an efficient rate that it trumps all of their forms and materials that you could shred.
Objection.
Thus,
Grounds.
Cheese is the best substance to shred. Cheese.
Sustained.
And it can be put on almost anything.
Objection.
You can't eat paper.
Grounds.
Objection. But then you'd be cutting the cheese, and nobody likes that, ever.
Sustained.
Under any circumstances. Like, does anyone here like people cutting the cheese?
Grounds, Preston.
She's shredding the cheese, not cutting the cheese.
Objection. Shredding is a form of cutting. It's just like
Objection.
a lot more.
Grounds, Shepherd.
Shredding is playing a really cool guitar solo.
I agree with you and the bird. Sustained.
And you know what's better than cheese? Cabbage. You can actually play Cabbage on a guitar. It may sound kind of far-fetched, but the musical alphabet contains all the right notes.
Grounds.
Cabbage is not better than cheese.
Sustained.
You can put cheese on literally everything. You can put it on cabbage, you can put it on beans, you can put it in sauces and on any type of food, and you can eat it by itself. It like literally will just be served. You can get platters of cheese. It is like its own element of food.
Grounds, Preston.
You can't put cheese on cheese.
objection.
Sustained.
Objection.
Grounds, Richie.
You actually can put cheese on cheese. I mean, have you ever had like a 4-cheese blend that you'll just take out of the fridge and shove in your mouth?
Objection.
That good?
Objection.
Grounds, Shepherd.
That is cheese in cheese, not cheese on cheese.
Sustained.
Objection. What about
Grounds, Ronnie.
cheese sandwich, where you have 2 types of cheese, and you have one type of cheese and another type of cheese, and then the one type of cheese, and you make a sandwich?
Sustained. I want to hear about the history of that.
So, when sandwiches were first created, well, they had bread for the outside parts, and so everything was put inside the bread. But one day, while people were just living their day, they figured out that they didn't have any bread on them. And they're like, oh no, what are we going to do? We can't have a sandwich. And then they remembered the definition of sandwich, which is like one thing surrounded by two other things of the same type. And so they took one type of cheese and they put another type of cheese in the middle and they put it together and they got a cheese sandwich.
Objection.
And that
Grounds, Shepherd.
was a
That is
revolution.
not how the sandwich was invented.
Sustained.
Objection. That
So
was
a
how
baker was
the
talking
cheese
Uh,
sandwich
Is this
was
a valid
invented,
objection
not
or am
the
I still
sandwich.
going?
You are sustained, Shepherd. You
Okay.
Keep going.
So it was a baker and a glass worker. And so they said, hey, put the sand in this oven. And he said, which? And then they put the sand in the bread oven. That's why
Ah.
it's called a sandwich. Because the first sandwich was sand in bread.
Objection.
Grounds, Ruby.
That that is not how the sandwich of food was invented. That's how the name was invented.
Sustained.
If you were saying that they put sand in the bread oven, thus making a sandwich, but that is not a sandwich. That is where the name derived from, sandwich, because that was the oven that they used to make the bread for the sandwich. The actual sandwich was invented by Bartholomew of Sandwich, who was traveling across Europe and had very little food, and this really snotty person went by and threw his leftovers, and he only was able to find a piece of lettuce, a small piece of jerky, cheese, and bread, and he wasn't quite sure how to make this delicacy work because he wasn't used to it. So he was able to devise a
Objection.
way of
Grounds, Preston.
forming them.
The original sandwich did not have cheese on it.
Objection.
Sustained. Grounds, Jake.
The original
It was from the
sandwich.
Earl of
Oh.
Sandwich when he was playing poker and he didn't want to get his hands greasy while he was playing it. So he asked his servant to put his meat between two slices of bread.
Grounds,
Objection.
Jake.
The original sandwich was invented by Plato. One day he was sitting around thinking about the meaning of life, and he said, life needs a sandwich. So he invented the sandwich, but kept it a secret for generations. And George Washington.
Objection.
Grounds, Shepherd.
Moon sand is better than Play-Doh.
Sustained.
It is sand, and you can mold it like dough.
Objection!
Grounds, Preston.
Moon sand sucks. Kinetic sand is much better.
Oh, sustained. Explain the differences.
Well, kinetic sand holds together better and it just has a much more satisfying feel. Moon sand is just sand. It's not special in any way.
Objection. Moon
Grounds.
sand is secretly from the moon, and so it's actually a lot better.
Secretly.
Sustained. How did it get discovered on the moon?
So when they sent the first rover over, it landed on the moon, and it smashed into a big rock, and the rock got smashed into so tiny pieces.
Grounds, Shepherd.
We've never been to the moon.
Sustained.
Objection. I've heard stories about it.
We simply
And
just haven't.
so
been
I
to the
know what
moon.
happened.
We never had the technology. It was 1969. Open your eyes, people. You think we had the materials to build a rocket ship and fly to the moon? That's stupid.
Objection. The
Grounds.
isn't real.
Sustained?
It's all a hologram. Therefore, they actually get the dirt from the middle of the earth, and we are all just shown a night sky.
Objection.
Grounds. Oh, wow, that was 3 objections.
Right.
Grounds. Who was first?
Me.
Okay, Grounds Ruby.
The Earth isn't real.
Okay, let's hear this. That's sustained.
We are all being imported into a visual world where we're actually hovering in space with visual masks that are telling our brains that we live on a Earth. Therefore, the sand could not be taken from the center of the Earth because the Earth does not exist.
Objection.
Absolutely.
Objection.
Grounds. Who was first there? Oh, Katarina. Grounds.
The Earth is real, but it's flat.
Ah. Sustained.
So,
Objection.
Grounds were real. Richard?
The Earth is actually a multi-layer cake because since the Earth is so sweet and awesome because it's able to hold life, that means it would obviously have to be something very delicious. And so the only true thing it could be that would fulfill that would be a gigantic cake,
Objection. What if
Grounds.
it's a giant donut hole? See,
Sustained.
if it's the same exact thing as you just said. It's sweet, and it even has like a glaze, which could be like the atmosphere, and it's also sweet enough to support life and
Objection.
do all the same
Ground
things.
shepherd.
Something cannot be the shape of a hole. A hole is the absence of material. It is not its own object.
Sustained.
Now, what I think, this is just such a highly illogical argument. The Earth is a cube, okay? Have you ever played Minecraft? It is most certainly a cube.
Objection.
Grounds Ronnie.
The Minecraft world is spherical.
I'm going to overrule that. I've seen the Minecraft world before.
Objection.
Grounds Preston.
It actually has to be round. According to the physics of Minecraft, the way that gravity has an effect on your character means it has to be a sphere.
Objection.
Grounds Shepherd.
Now, I believe the reason Ronnie states that it is round is because in the Nether, traveling 8 blocks is equal to I'm traveling 1 block is equal to 8 blocks in the overworld. But you see, that doesn't mean it is spherical. It is merely smaller on the inside, which could still mean it was a cube.
Wow.
Objection.
Grounds.
If you went out to the corners of the world, you would be able to jump higher, but this isn't shown in...
Objection.
Grounds.
If it is a cube, it would not be affected by the same gravitational standards that we expect our planet to have.
Sustained.
Everything we think we know.
Objection.
Grounds Preston.
There's no cheese in Minecraft. Therefore, Minecraft is not worth our time to be talking about.
All right, and saying